Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to add HTML code in WordPress, and I will show you step by step how to add HTML code in Gutenberg Block, Classic Editor and Elementor Page Builder as well. But before we jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. So let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard, hover over on this side name and click on dashboard. Very first I want to show you how to add HTML code in Gutenberg Block. So visit the post, hover over on this post and click on all post. Visit this post. Scroll down. Then I want to add HTML code here, just below the text. Okay, so edit the post, scroll down, and I want to add here. So I have HTML code. I want to copy from here, w3school.com. so this is the HTML code and this is a table. Okay, this is the table and I want to add it. So copy this HTML code. Just keep in mind you don't need this HTML header. Okay, just need the body. So copy this table HTML code. Sorry, again copy it. This is the HTML code. Copy it. Then go to the editor and I want to add here. So click on this plus icon to add a new block and write here HTML. You can see this is the HTML block. Click on it and paste here. From the right side top, save this. Okay, visit this post and reload this page. Yes, you can see successfully the HTML code has been added, and this is the HTML code outputs. It's a table. Okay, so now I want to show you how to add HTML code in Classic Editor. Okay, this is the Gutenberg block, but now I want to add this HTML through a Classic Editor. So go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on install plugins. Actually, very first I have to disable or deactivate the Gutenberg. So I have installed a plugin Classic Editor and I want to enable the Classic Editor. So activate it. Maybe you know, if you want to use Classic Editor or if you don't use the Gutenberg block, then you can use this plugin Classic Editor. Okay, so now our Gutenberg block is deactivated and the Classic Editor is activated. So again go to the post, hover over on posted and click on all post. Now open another post. I want to just open it. Now we can close this two tab. Okay, this is the post and I want to add this HTML code here. So again edit this post. You can see the editor is different. Okay, previous was a Gutenberg block, but now it shows the Classic Editor. From the right side you can see visual and code. We have to select this tab code, and you have to ensure it this tab is enabled or selected. Okay, then scroll down. I want to show here. If you want, then you can add this code anywhere of this page. Okay, then update the post, visit the post and reload this. Just this is the previous look. Reload this post. Yes, you can see the HTML code has been added and this is the HTML code front end view. So successfully we have added the HTML code in Classic Editor. Now I want to show for Elementor Page Builder how to add HTML code in Elementor. Okay, so again go to the website and I want to visit the home page. So this is the home page. Now we can close 2 tabs, no need more. So I want to add HTML code in this page. That is why this page made with Elementor. So edit this page with Elementor. Just scroll down. You can add anywhere. I want to show just below of this content. Here click and add a section. This is a new section, and right here text. This is the text editor. Drag and drop here. Okay, and you can see it shows a visual and code. Okay, so you have to select this code, this tab, and just remove and paste here the HTML code. This is the HTML code, and you can see it shows here perfectly. Publish this changes. Then you can see very top there have a notable. Just refresh this page. Yes, you can see it shows perfectly. So in this tutorial we have learned how to add HTML code in WordPress, and I have shown how to add HTML code in Gutenberg Block, Classic Editor, and Elementor Page Builder as well. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and stay updated with me.